హలో అండి. కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కూడా వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి అబ్రివియేషన్స్ అనమాట. సో, మాక్సిమం ఎగ్జామ్స్‌లో ఈ టాపిక్ నుంచి ఒక క్వెషన్ రావడం జరుగుతుంది. సో, ఈరోజు మనం ఈ అబ్రివియేషన్ టాపిక్స్‌లో వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ అబ్రివియేషన్స్‌ని చూద్దాం. ఈవీఎం. ఈవీఎం మీన్స్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ ఓటింగ్ మిషన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ఎన్‌సీఆర్. ఎన్‌సీఆర్ మీన్స్ నేషనల్ క్యాపిటల్ రీజియన్. PCS. PCS means Provincial Civil Services. TDS. TDS means tax deducted at source. CID. CID means Crime Investigation Department. TRP. Television Rating Point. AM. Anti-meridian. PM. Post-meridian. DP. Display picture. ERP. Enterprise Resource Planning. FYI. For your information. VVPAT. Voter Verifiable Paper Audit Trail. SPV. Special Purpose Vehicle. PMJDY. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. SPE. Special Police Establishment. DSPEA. Delhi Special Police Establishment Act. LAP. Lehman Alpha Photometer. MENCA. Martin Exospheric Natural Composition Analyzer. MCC. Mass Color Camera. MSM. Methane Sensor for Mars. TIS. Thermal Infrared Imaging System. SBA. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. ODF. Open Defecation Free. ART. Assisted Reproductive Technologies. PSLV. Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. ISRO. Indian Space Research Organization. GPS. Global Positioning System. IRNSS. Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. DOS. Department of Space. DBT. Department of Biotechnology. DST. Department of Science and Technology. LAN. Local Area Network. SEHAT. Social Endeavor for Health Care and Telemedicine. AMRUT. Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. HRIDE. Heritage City Development and Augmentation Yojana. PRASAD. Pilgrimage Rejuvenation and Spiritual Augmentation Drive. IUHDSS. Integrated Underwater Harbor Defense and Surveillance System. MUDRA. Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency. AAOU. Asian Association for Open University. AASU. All Assam Student Union. ABSU. All Bodo Student Union. AFMC. Armed Forces Medical College. AGM. Annual General Meeting. AID. Agency for International Development. APCRDA. Andhra Pradesh Capital Region Development Authority. CALP. Component Authority of Land Pooling. BAI. Badminton Association of India. BHU. Banaras Hindu University. BITS. Birla Institute of Technology and Science. BPO. Business Process Outsourcing. BP. Blood pressure. CAD. Computer Aided Design. CAT. Common Admission Test. CLAT. Common Law Admission Test. CRISIL. Central Rating Information Services of India Limited. DMRTS. Delhi Metro Rapid Transport System. DTS. Digital Theatre System. ECG. Electrocardiogram. EFA. Education for All. EEG. Electroencephalogram. EMG. Electromyogram. ENT. Ear, nose and throat. EPIC. Electros Photo Identity Card. EVR, electro video recording. FM, frequency modulation. FTP, file transfer protocol. GAAR, general anti-avoidance rule. HUDCO, Housing and Urban Development Corporation. IBM, International Business Mission. ICRA, Investment Information and Credit Rating Agency of India. IP, Internet Protocol. IPO, Initial Public Offering. ISBN, International Standard Book Number. ISO, International Standard Organization. IVRS, Interactive Voice Response System. LCD, Liquid Crystal Display. LED, Light Emitting Diode. LPG, Liquefied Petroleum Gas. MD, Doctor of Medicine. MNC, Multinational Corporation. NAC, National Advisory Council. NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NCSE, National Center for Science Education. NCTE, National Council for Teachers Education. NFC, Northeast Council. NGT, National Green Tribunal. NIA, National Investigation Agency. NRI, Non-Resident Indian. NSG, Nuclear Suppliers Group. MTCR, Missiles Technology Control Region. DPRK, Democratic People's Republic of Korea. ODA, Overseas Development Assistance. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే ప్లీజ్ షేర్, లైక్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.